How to change your Instagram professional account to personal account, step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch your Instagram professional account back to a personal account. If you're currently using a business or creator account and want to return to a normal profile, you can easily do it from the settings. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Step 1. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your Instagram profile. Step 2. Open Settings. Now tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Find Account Type and Tools. Scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools. Tap on it to open the Account Management options. Step 4. Switch Account Type. Inside this section, tap Switch Account Type. You will now see different options related to your account type. Tap Switch to Personal Account. Step 5. Confirm the change. Instagram will ask you to confirm the change. Tap Switch to Personal Account again to confirm. Once you do this, your account will return to a personal profile. Important note: after switching to a personal account, you will lose access to insights and analytics. Some business features will be removed. Your account will function like a regular Instagram profile. Final result, and that's it. You have successfully switched your professional account back to a personal account on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.